So the guys working on the power lines, holistic travel guy here. The guys working on the power lines have actually made quite a bit of progress. You can see those 3 guys up there in the bucket. 4 guys actually. They've got a new pole installed. They're diligently working on this mess. The tree is now gone. The tree company came and took the tree away. The mess of old wires still exists, but they're putting in a whole bunch of new wires to replace them. I think they're just going to tear that whole thing out of there. And they're going to replace by this whole thing right here. So good to see that the city is improving their infrastructure, upgrading. It's definitely a lot less wires up there than that tangled mess that came down was. So they're doing a great job. They've got they've had probably 15 or 20 people here throughout the day. So my applause for the Bangkok Utility crew. See you back at the hotel. Now I can go get another chicken sandwich, hopefully tonight, right over there.